Let's be honest, you didn't stick to your summer habits. You slacked on the skincare, stopped going to the gym, ate like trash, and now school is starting, and you kinda look like ass. But the good news, you still have time. If I had to glow up fast before school starts, here's exactly what I would do. First, I would get enough sleep, bro. Around 8 hours. You need it to remove the eye bags, improve your skin, help your muscles recover, and keep your brain actually functioning in class. If you're sleeping 4 to 5 hours a night, no skincare routine in the world is going to fix you. I had a friend saying he gets good sleep every night, and then I asked him how many hours, and bro said 4. I was about to beat his ass for real when he said that. And listen, it's not even about when you sleep, it's about how consistently you sleep. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. Put your phone down 30 minutes before bed, black out your room, and watch how much better you look and feel in a week. Then I would get back on my skincare routine and eating a good diet. You need to lay off the Doritos and the McDonald's, bro, and get a fresh haircut also. But please don't get your haircut like the day before or the week before. If your barber messes up your haircut, then forget the glow up, bro, it's done. Please leave it at least a week or 2 before school starts. And if you're wondering what styles actually look good on most guys, keep it simple. A messy fringe if you want something laid back, a middle part for that clean, casual vibe, or even a modern mullet if you want something a little bolder. These are basic, yeah, but they just work for almost everyone. And for skincare, just keep it simple. Get a good cleanser, moisturizer, and don't skip the sunscreen. Next, I'd focus on getting your style and aesthetic up, and buy new clothes, whether that's streetwear or old money aesthetic. Don't wear goofy graphic tees, bro. Get good plain graphic tees or just plain clothing in general. That will make you look the most versatile, bro. If you're struggling for inspiration, go on Pinterest and type in streetwear men or old money outfits and save 5 to 10 outfits you like. You don't need to overspend. 5 new outfits max is more than enough if you know how to mix and match. And with the basics I suggested above, everything will work with everything. Next, if you want to get more girls in school this year and you just want to become a better person socially and make more friends, use teasing, observations, or playful assumptions to make the conversation so much better. If you see a girl sitting next to you has new hoop earrings, comment on it and make an observation. You can do that for everyone. If your friend looks like he's filling out his t-shirts more, say, damn, you've been hitting the gym, bro. Don't be afraid to tease people also, make the conversation a bit more risky. That's where you make the best connections. If the girl sitting next to you says she played sports a lot over the summer, say, I think you played volleyball. You give off volleyball vibes. It makes the conversation more personal, more fun, and way more memorable. Finally, I would lock in my mindset. This is where the alter ego comes in. One of the most powerful athletes and high performers use this. Kobe Bryant had the Black Mamba. This wasn't just a nickname, it was an identity he stepped into whenever it was time to dominate. You can do the same thing. Create an alter ego that's the most confident, disciplined, and apologetic version of you. When you walk into school, you're not that insecure kid anymore. You're stepping into your alter ego. This isn't cringe, bro. What's actually cringe is walking around small, scared, and doubting yourself. An alter ego gives you permission to act how you want to act without overthinking. Name it, own it, and step into it every single day until it becomes who you are. That's all for this video, bro. If you want another video to check out this video above, and if you're tired of glowing up upon real advice, check out my 1-to-1 globe coaching below, where I'll help you become attracted to women in 30 days. See you in the next one.